Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how much Shopify is 1 month. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. To know about Shopify per month cost, you have to open this URL shopify.com/pricing, and here we can see their packages. So basic package start from $29 per month, and the Shopify package start from $79 per month, and the advanced package start from $299 per month. And if you want to know more about information these three packages, you can click on show plan features, and then here you'll be able to see all the informations about these three packages. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.